We're here at Riverbank Plaza, and check this out.
Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Check this out, Ryan.
Okay, checking it out.
Touchstone of Otis. Oh yes. Wait to see what they have in here. Very. Oh yeah. Jackpot.
Very small.
8. Jackpot. We found an original Otis. Thank you, Wisconsin Siren and Elevators, for telling me about this, because I would just walk by this building. See what 8. Lobby. Very nice elevators. Just touching the fixtures. Lobby. Here.
Okay.
Touch.
Not a lot of room in the elevator, boy.
What?
Not a lot of room in the elevator.
That's the service elevator right there. I guess. That's it.